going to Tapan Lake today. So we stopped here at the gas station because Eric will get some ice because we're gonna get drinks. But first, we're going to stop at Walmart to get something to drink and sunscreen. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's sun today, but it's cloudy. I mean, the weather today is so nice. Buba is here. Hi, Freya. Hi, love. You're gonna go bye-bye? Oh my gosh. She's drooling. I'm so excited for her because it's gonna be her first dip in the water. We have our fishing pole in here. We got stuff in there. I've got Buba's stroller. We've got, what do you call that one? Ice bucket, something. We got our chairs, our camping chairs. So we're gonna try to. We got Buba's chair in there. Got towels. So everything is packed and ready to go. So we'll see you guys at the lake. Bye bye. Bye bye. Everything. We have a lot of drinks.
Not a lot of cars here this morning. But if they're only going for groceries, they might have parked over on that side.
Are you okay, Boo? Where is your binky? Did you throw your binky again? Why? See? She likes to throw things now. So we're waiting for Eric's aunt, guys. We're supposed to meet here. We already got our stuff on Walmart. We got some drinks. Buba is fussy because she's very sleepy. She wants to be picked up. So it's a nice day today. I know, Booby. Hang on. Hey, you keep on throwing your binky. Oh, you gotta hit it. Ouch! Oh my goodness. Woo. So we're gonna wait here, guys, and Eric go back inside the Walmart because we forgot the cat litter. We need a cat litter, so since we're here already, then we can get it. So there's no hassle anymore to go back to get the cat litter. Come here, Mama. You want to come to Mama? Come here. Come down. Come down. Yay! So, Buba is happy. Waiting for Daddy? Waiting for Dada. Why? Because that people? You know, Beb, that's one of our goals in the future. We need to have a a boat. Yeah, a boat would be nice. So we're here and Buba is
And lifeguard.
awake. That's why they need to have like entrance fee, no? But Lake Arthur don't have an entrance fee.
No, but Lake Arthur also doesn't have all this kind of stuff.
Do you want to put the chair in here left? It's loaded. Yeah, it's loaded. Aww. Is she awake now? Booby. Very cute. Ay. Yeah, she don't like to wear glasses. Mm. No, you cannot have this one. This is not a toy. Where's your toy? There you go. Hi. She always threw things.
Bye-bye, honey.
Look at her face, it's very funny.
She don't. She might still have that in her eye.
Do you want to go again in the water? Are you okay now? Beep beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Happy Boo. Puppy.
Hey, boo.
Beep beep.
Hey, boo.
Hey. Do you want to get in the water? Huh? Do you want to get in the water? Yeah. She's smiling. Do you want to go in the water? Do you want to? Do you want to go in the water? Do you want to go back? Do you want to go back in the water? She knows already. Bo, you're getting big na good, Bo. You're getting old. You get.
She's talking to the camera.
Yeah. Do you want to go in the water again? Do you want to go in the water? Do you want to go back? Where's Nana? So we're going to change location, I guess, because we're going to grill some food and there's no area there. Huh?
Come on, buddy. You gotta get do that down here. Come on. Alright. Is that all we do that?
Do you know that we're going on to this place?
You go.
Okay, Daddy. Daddy, eh? Where Daddy? Daddy's very tired now.
Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
You need to hydrate yourself.
Dying.
Okay, Boo. Okay, Daddy?
Push the button and then you let go of the button when you cast. If you're fishing for crappie or perch, you only want to be about 10 feet away from the shore. Lucky frog is gone.
Look at your face. You're very oily because you just had meat. You just had a grilled meat. Yeah? Very oily. Your face is so oily. Your face is so oily. Bading na ni Mama. Bading na ni Mama. Ang banding din. Nalaka. Uy, sa oily sa face. Uy! Iwi, booba, iwi.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
So we stopped here, guys, to get some gas because we ran out of gas. Booba is very fussy. Right, Boo? Booby is very fussy. Ping, 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 ping. And her daddy gets something in the store right there. Get something to drink for Mama and Dada while on our way to home. We're gonna get home. We're gonna go home. Mama and Booba and Dada go home. So Eric just left it there while it's running. Yeah. I don't know how many minutes away from here. Hopefully we get there soon as possible because Buba is very fussy and I'm getting tired. I mean, I'm full of energy because I drank a energy drink, coffee energy drink, but I don't know, I feel tired but I'm energetic. Yeah, so, and I want to rinse off because we dipped in the lake, me and Buba, and it was so fun, but we haven't had a chance to rinse off, so that's why we need to rinse as soon as possible. It happens before, guys. I think in Bohol, when Eric didn't rinse off after dipping in the ocean, and then when we get home he didn't rinse, so the next day he got a lot of red spots on his body. So I already told him to rinse, but he didn't listen. Pika 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 boo.
Gatorade Rapid Rehydration.
Thank you.
The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it